Hey everyone, have you ever struggled to stay on track with your diet during parties and celebrations? A table full of sweets, snacks, and drinks can be a real temptation. But today, I'm going to show you that it's possible to enjoy these moments without throwing all your progress down the drain. With a few simple and effective strategies, you'll learn to enjoy parties guilt-free and without losing control. Stick with me, because this video will transform the way you approach social events and give you the power to choose consciously without giving up on your diet. Part 1. Planning, the first step to success. The key to staying on track with your diet at parties starts before you even arrive, with planning. If you know you're going to a party where healthy options might be limited, the best strategy is to prepare in advance. Before you leave, have a light and healthy meal, rich in protein and fiber, which will help you feel fuller for longer. That way, you won't arrive at the party starving, which reduces the chances of overdoing it on the snacks right away. Also, remember to always keep things balanced. You don't have to completely deprive yourself of the foods you enjoy, but rather control your portions and make smart choices. During the party, one of the best ways to stay focused on your diet is to know how to choose what to put on your plate. Focus on foods that have lean protein, like grilled meats, eggs, or even low-fat cheeses. These foods help keep you full and control your hunger throughout the event. Another valuable tip is to go for salad and vegetable options that are available. These foods are not only low in calories, but are also rich in fiber, which will help you feel satisfied and avoid overeating. Be careful with sauces and sides that are high in calories, like mayonnaise and creamy sauces, which can sabotage your diet without you even realizing it. Drinks at parties can be a trap for those trying to stay on track with their diet. Alcohol, in particular, is very high in calories and can lower your willpower, making you overeat. If you choose to drink, make conscious choices. Choose dry wines or spirits with water and lemon instead of sugary cocktails. Also, alternate each alcoholic drink with a glass of water. This will keep you hydrated, reduce your alcohol intake, and help you better control your food choices. Remember, moderation is key. You can definitely enjoy yourself, but without losing sight of your goals. Another big challenge at parties is social pressure. Often, friends and family might encourage you to relax and eat everything. After all, it's a party, right? But the truth is, you don't have to go with the flow. A good strategy is to be upfront about your goals. Don't be afraid to say no thank you politely. If they offer you something you really want to avoid, like a super high-calorie dessert, thank them and explain that you're focused on eating a more balanced diet. The people who truly support you will respect your decisions. Another tip is to bring a healthy dish to the party. That way, you ensure you'll have an option that aligns with your diet, and you even get to share something delicious with the other guests. Last but not least, be flexible and don't be so hard on yourself. Maintaining a healthy diet is about balance, not perfection. If you ended up eating a little more than planned or had a dessert you were craving, don't see it as a failure. The secret is in how you get back on track right after the event. The next day, go back to your regular diet and stay focused on your long-term goals. Remember, one off-plan meal won't ruin all your progress. What matters is consistency over time. Staying on track with your diet during parties can be a challenge. But with planning, smart choices, and flexibility, you can enjoy the moment without guilt and without harming your health. Remember, every little decision counts, and you have the power to choose what's best for your body and your goals. If these tips helped you, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and share this video with someone who's also on this journey of transformation. Until next time.